Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have an update for you guys. Look what we did to the front. It's like a little porch or deck, whatever you would like to call it. This is completely made out of recycled wood pallets. My husband did this for me, so I'm really excited. I really like the way it turned out. It's really sturdy right here, and it just looks super cute now. And Max, come up. Sit, Maxie. Sit. Aw, look at how cute she looks here. And she could just lay on top of this and doesn't have to lay in the mulch anymore. Right, Max? I am thinking I might want a mat, either inside or outside. I haven't decided. Only because if it gets rained on, it's going to leave like a mark. I don't know. So I'm unsure about the mat. And then the mat can be itchy for Maxie, so she might not lay on it. And what else was I gonna say? I am gonna stain it, so I'm getting ready to sand it. I'm gonna sand it, stain it. I would have preferred to stain it a natural wood color, but the goal is not to invest any more money than what I really need to. So I'm gonna use my resources that I already have, only because I do have to invest money in the greenhouse in other parts. For example, I need to purchase more of this clear panel. They sell it at Lowe's and Home Depot. Today I did go to Home Depot to buy some wood because I need to replace some of these little wood pieces. I need to replace it because it's all warped and it just doesn't look good. So I'm going to cut new pieces and replace them. So I did check Home Depot to see if they had any of this, and they didn't. And I really need some because I'm missing one side. Because when the greenhouse was against the house, I removed the panel for more circulation, and I think I ended up cutting it for some reason, and then I no longer have it. So yeah, I need to replace it, and eventually I need to have some to replace the roof. Definitely those panels for the ceiling need to be replaced. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand this and stain it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Guys, here is I don't know what to call it. What do I call this? The little front area of the greenhouse, all stained, ready to go. I love it, guys. I'm really enjoying working on this project. This my husband just picked up last night from the trash. It is rusted up, but it does still have some life to it. I spray painted it, and there you go. It serves its purpose. Still has life. So it's perfect for the backyard, where it's just probably gonna slowly deteriorate. But anyways, I got new pieces of wood, but I ran out, so I do need some more to continue to place up there on the greenhouse, just to keep the panels down from flying away. It gives it more structure. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's some sunlight right there, the sun hitting it. But I really like it. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing else. Here is, what time is it? It's probably, I don't know, like around 3 o'clock. I'm not sure. We're still getting nice light over here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try to make some short videos like this, like that. It's a little bit easier to me to put out more content, and you guys can see more of what I'm doing. So I hope you guys like this update. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. You have a blessed day. Bye, guys.